Hey guys, so we're trying something new. I'm recording on my computer. I think the camera on my phone is a little bit better, but we're just gonna go with it. I have my winter FabFitFun box that I got over the weekend, and I've been dying to open it, but I always open it on camera, so I couldn't do it. So, here's the box. I have not peeked at it at all. I literally just undid the tape that comes down here, and then I didn't even open it, so here we go. This is a little magazine you get, and here is information about all the products that come in. I typically don't look at this until I've opened the entire box because I don't want any spoilers. So we're gonna set that aside somewhere in this room. Ooh, saved this for you. It's a coupon for a friend. So if anybody wants to try FabFitFun and order your first box, this gets you $15 off your first box. It's already an amazing price. So if you want this, hit me up. Set that aside too. Then I've got another HelloFresh card. I'm going to set that aside. And then I see something that I want. It looks like that. So we're going to open it. Share to win. Hashtag FabFitFun. Oh my goodness. I think I love everything in here. First up, makeup eraser. I've been dying to try these. If you're not familiar with what makeup eraser is, it is like a makeup removing towel. And it's more eco-friendly, so you don't end up like buying the disposable towels and throwing those out. You can wash it. It's machine washable. It takes all your makeup off. It exfoliates. Let me open this. So it comes like this. This one's pink. I don't know if they have other colors or not. I have to look into that. But ooh, it feels so soft. But basically, you're supposed to be able to take off all your makeup with one of these. So we're gonna try it out, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to try this forever. I'm gonna toss the box. I don't need the box. Put that on my chair. This is so cute. This is a door. It's a little rose gold necklace. Isn't it pretty? I don't know that I can wear it right now because it's pretty cold, so I'm wearing scarves. But this is so cute. It has Swarovski crystals. Pretty. Awesome. I'm excited for that. Okay. Where can you go? Ooh, Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Mask. This is perfect for right now. My hands are destroyed. This is from Nails Inc. London. How many come in here? It says Super Hydrating Hand Masks for dry and tired skin with botanical extracts, vitamin E, and shea butter. How many come in here? Is this just one? I can't tell if it's just one or not, but I will try that. That's awesome. Then I have Pure Nilotic. I don't even know how to say this. Nourishing Balm to Oil. Nice. I feel like this is a winter rescue box, but that's the brand. Not sure. Right now I currently have a hand cream, but this is gonna go to the side in my backup stash. Oh yeah, Dry Bar. I'm so excited for this. Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. The only product from Dry Bar that I've tried is their dry shampoo. I actually just bought it this weekend, and it's a little intense. Like, you spray that and it comes right out at you. So I'm excited to try this thing. It looks like it has heat protection. So up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 Celsius. Nice. Awesome. I'll have to try that out and see. Next thing. Ooh, Perfect Hair Shampoo from R&Co. I've never tried this brand. Let's see. Is this paraben and sulfate free petrolatum and mineral oil free, cruelty and gluten free, vegan, and has UV protection. That's all up my alley. The perfect hair revolution will be televised. Ooh. Television Perfect Hair Shampoo gives you everything you need for the small screen. Body shine, strengthening, softening, and smoothing. This is why we call it perfect. Interesting. I'll let you guys know how this goes too. I still have some shampoo, so I'll put that aside as well. Ooh, color switch. Yeah. I've been needing this in my life. Typically, I keep a towel. Excuse the state of this towel. It's so disgusting. But I'll keep a towel on my chair so that I'm switching colors, like eyeshadow colors. I'll swirl the brush on the towel. But that's what this is for. You just swirl your brush in there and it's supposed to clean it so then you can dip it into another color. So if you just used a really dark color, you can clean it on this and then go to a light color without it affecting your application. So I'm excited for that. I don't know if you can, how you clean this though. Oh, you can wash it with soap and water. Nice. So I'll have to try that out and see how that goes. Oh yeah, it came with a perfect hair shampoo. Or conditioner. The conditioner and shampoo, awesome. So now I can have perfect televised hair. So I'll try that out once I run out of my current stuff. And last but not least, this is funny because I actually just got slippers for my brother. But I got a pair of slippers. Yeah. These are really cute. They look comfy too. Well, this is awesome, guys. I'm really excited about my box. Do you guys get a FabFitFun? What are some things you got in yours? Let's compare. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.